Throughout the tutorials, we will give you a detailed tour of the types of comprehensive analysis that can be performed using PatentPia's data technology solutions that will enable users to achieve optimal levels of IP resource allocation and maximize the profitability of businesses. The following is Section 7 of our Prometheus tutorial series, which is PatentPia's HR management solutions that will enable recruiters to identify high-performing researchers and allow companies to execute strategic technology development and planning through quantitative and qualitative evaluations for each of their patents and technology-related assets. We hope that you take a few minutes to explore the possibilities by downloading Prometheus and trying out the analysis options. Just visit about.patentpia.com or follow the instructions provided in the tutorials. Now let's begin. PatentPia's HR management solutions enables recruiters and companies to identify high-performing researchers and allows companies to execute strategic technology development and planning through quantitative and qualitative evaluations for each of their patents and technology-related assets. PatentPia's HR management solutions enables users to identify key researchers who have invented highly cited patents while evaluating and analyzing the quantity and quality of the citations. For example, researchers whose companies have frequently and recently cited the subject researcher's patents, and researchers who have invented patents that are often cited by competitors and other companies can be seen to be key researchers. Analysis of the citation patent characteristics also reveals valuable insights as well, because researchers whose patents have been cited by patents with noteworthy events, such as litigations and transactions, or patents that are noteworthy in terms of being a standard essential patent, may also help to determine whether the researcher has potential to develop valuable technologies. Researchers whose patents have been cited by highly invested patents, such as patents with large national and international families, and purchase patents, also tend to be more valuable. Now let's go to Prometheus and perform an analysis of highly cited researchers within companies and institutions. The view code for this analysis is A-TI212. So go to the Prometheus Excel file, click on the filter next to the view code, and locate A-TI212. Click on the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the hashtag INVPE (US data), which is PatentPia's data product with over 100 different analysis fields and evaluations for input patents listed by each patent's inventors. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and select the resulting worksheet. The results in the table shows the researchers along with a number of citations, self-citations, and citations by examiners. Users may also select the ethnic group of the inventor as well by selecting Chinese, for example, in the P_INV3 filter, which filters for the ethnic group of the researcher. This may be useful for companies in China, for example, who would like to hire researchers of Chinese descent in order to minimize the friction caused by cultural differences and language barriers. Also, due to the fact that the original assignee or inventor may still be working at the original company that applied for the patent prior to the transaction or transfer, it is better to use the P5 original assignee filter instead of the P3 current assignee filter. Also, by clicking on the number results in the table, another sheet will be generated with the patent data supporting the results. So you can see that Mr. Junho Lee is an inventor or researcher of Korean descent. And by clicking on the URL, you'll be taken to PatentPia's website where you'll be able to find comprehensive information related to the specific patent, in addition to useful information about the current right holder. Another useful analysis is the identification of researchers with many self-citations, because researchers with many self-citations may be seen to be key researchers as there is a continuity in the R&D. The view code for this analysis is A-TI312. Select the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the hashtag INVPE (US data), which is PatentPia's data product with over 100 different analysis fields and evaluations for input US patents listed by each patent's inventors. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. The results in the table shows the number of patents invented by the researcher by technical field and the number of citations within the past 5 years. Self-citations by examiners are usually a stronger indicator of the weight of the citations, and self-citations within 5 years is a good indication that the researcher is a key researcher for current ongoing research. And by clicking on the number results in the table, another sheet will be generated with patent data supporting the results. So, Mr. Sung Jae Lee is a Korean inventor. And if you want more detailed information about the patent, you can click on the URL, which will take you to PatentPia's website, where you'll be able to find more detailed information about the patent and the current right holder. For more information, please visit us at about.patentpia.com or www.patentpia.com.